something fell.
I'm just afraid there's something still.
Oh, I know, and it's pointed at us. Look, that one's leaning this way.
John!
Oh!
It's got a big
It's
target.
falling over!
Big target. Josh's butt's gonna get... Oh, don't fart, John.
Yeah, don't fart.
It'd be like nuclear blast. You just see a flame go.
Oh.
I want to burn a Barbie or something.
Yeah, go burn a Barbie. Burn a bra.
Burn the Lady Gaga Barbie.
Whoa.
There
There you go. That was good to have it fall that way. So they don't get all that stuff over there.
On the block Barbie.
I bet you something goes off. We gotta have at least one dud go off. And shoot this way and scare the crap out of all of us.
Get that blanket.
I got some of it in there.
Wow, there's probably some like oil or something on it.
Yeah, throw the whole blanket on it.
Oh, now you
I got this.
Here,
I got this.
on it.
This is full of water. Gosh, no.
Okay, you're good. See, we got water.
I'm trying to tell you, and you're ignoring me.
Fire out.
It's out in the street. It's not going to hurt anything.
Does anybody else got a full bottle of water we can dump in here real quick, just in case we need to
Some
dump
water,
it?
a little bit right here.
You pee on it.
You got another one?
Me and Jill both have bottles of water just in case it gets out of control. Yeah.
Okay.
I haven't drank very much.
Trish has one. There's one behind her, too.
Gonna laugh.
Pour it in here.
No.
Whoa! We'll be alright. Alright.
What the heck is honking? Is it coming from the street? Over there. Have fun! Woohoo! It's gonna fall right off the bat. Kick that box that won't light up in there, that long one.
Which one? This?
Yeah, the one right by you. There you go. Get it up in there. No comment.
Oh.
I like you.
What we got in here? That won't light.
Hey, welcome to St. George. We're burning.
Throw the whole bag on there.
Aiden, stay up here. You're not putting
Oh.
Oh, don't burn plastic and things.
The wind's blowing it that way.
It's good.
Boom!
It's good for the environment.
Yeah.
You want me to throw a stick in there? Okay. Thank you, Jason.
Man, I hope a cop doesn't pull down this street.
We got a blanket. We have a fire blanket.
Fire blanket.
Feel the heat?
Oh yeah, you can.
You can feel the heat?
He's going like this. Why do you rub your hands together? Oh!
You gotta burn off the dust, man.
Exactly.
Watch it go boom.
Watch World War IV go off.
See a big old thing explode.
We all go running. If something like that happens, you have to get the you gotta get the reaction on video if something like that happens. Don't freak out, like film everyone running or something. Noisy little.
I think it would happen by now.
Scooter.
Come on, jump it now.
Drive through it.
Get up there.
Get back in your spots, guys. Sit on your booties.
Down.
Oh, I gotta throw some of these guys on top of it.
Jump it! Just laugh.
That would be fun.
Oh, that one's pointing right at us. Thanks. No, something's wrong with the carburetor on that one.
Huh?
Something's wrong with the carburetor on that
Yeah.
scooter.
Either that, just muffler.
Yeah.
Jump it.
Putting along. Oh, look at that plastic melting. How nasty. Yeah, get all them little duds in there.
No.
It looks like it does. Yeah, it's full of smoke. Yeah, kick all the duds. No flower duds has gone off yet, but I know we have at least one. I got them all.
No.
No.
There's enough in there.
We got plenty of stuff.
Yeah, throw that in. See what it does.
What?
It's got something.
Oh, it's got one of those little seed pods right there.
Seed pods. They'll pop open or something.
They cook pretty good. Just as good as everything else does.
Sit down.
Well, that's got to be healthy for you.
We just going up first.
Who's that?
Top.
No, it's only.
Woo! I don't live here.
The police station.
Fireworks,
There's
man,
one of
that's
those
all.
houses down there.
No, then the fire department's like right down there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't live here. We're just watching.
I know.
I'm still recording. It's like 5 minutes.
I don't think the
Oh, Josh.
are gonna go off.
Boom! Throw a pack of cigarettes in there or a bag of pot.
Something
Some started sizzling all of a sudden.
I know. I hear it.
The plastic. Yeah, probably.
Your shoe.
Your shoe. You're gonna hide from Josh.
Throw more blanket. Throw that blanket on there. It'll flame right up. Come on, man. Yeah. Don't smother it though.
Where'd that come from?
I could see this going wrong.
Is that the
Horribly, horribly wrong.
Yeah, is there fuel in it?
I wouldn't do that.
Not the whole
Oh.
blanket.
Drug it
No,
from
let's just
Tuckerville.
throw it away in the grass.
Wow.
Stay here.
Uh-oh.
Got oil
Give it
and
to
stuff
Dustman.
on it.
Oh, no.
Give it to
That's
Dustman.
not a cop. They're not that
No,
noisy.
that's probably.
He'd have his lights on.
No.
Car.
Yeah, it's a car. Huh.
That's serving away from the car.
Yeah.
We're saving
Give it
the
to Dustman.
Boom.
Give it to Dustman.
Why is there a stick going?
Oh, no. What? Huh?
What is it?
Oh! He's naked.
Joe, is
Jaden.
it Jaden's G.I.
G.I.
Joe?
Joe. Jaden will be sad.
No.
Come on, put him in.
No.
toy.
It's his toy. And Brian's like, yeah, let's do it.
Well,
can we burn
in there?
Can we burn this?
Yeah, throw it in there.
Fluffy salad. Jaden.
Jaden, get away.
She rocks. You step on the sidewalk, Jaden. You come down here one more time, you're just going in the house.
No. Wait, friends are like pyro.
You should know this by now. Another Christmas tree. Oh my God. That was amazing.
He's not anatomically correct. Brian, or Robert, are you done with that cup? Nope, you stay up here. Here, give him that cup.
Here.
Crystal,
Kick it in.
good throw.
No.
You can't leave that. Dawson's official pyro.
I know my dad did it.
There you
Oh,
go.
I forgot that had alcohol in it.
Oh,
Quit throwing rocks into it.
Wow, that one like just really like nothing.
Yeah,
I don't know what to do. It's getting out of control.
it is.
It's out of control. Look at it.
It's fine.
Like it's getting out of control.
What?
I
Not.
don't want to move
Brian.
it, Daddy.
Well, hold on. Ooh.
It's gonna be a big mess.
Something shot at you. Fluffy salad, the marshmallows.
Hey, stop, Marshmallow Man's coming after you.
No. He's gunpowder.